How to add and watch Amazon Prime Video channels. So let's get started. First of all, mouse over account and list in the upper right corner of your screen, then select sign in button available there. Then make sure you sign in using your Amazon account. Amazon will drop you back on the home page. Select account and list again to display the menu and then select your Prime Video option available there. Then select channels. You will see featured content from some of the available channels on Amazon. Although you may find the channel you are looking for right away, there is a more complete list to browse from. Select See More to view the complete list. The channel listing consists of more rows of channel broken down into categories. Use the arrows at the end of each row to scroll through categories and view more options. Select the channel to subscribe to. Amazon will take you to your selected channel space. Across the top is a massive banner image for your channel. Select it when you are ready to sign up. Amazon will take you to a splash page with information regarding the channel you selected, including the pricing info. More importantly, the place contains a link to sign up for the channels and begin your free trial. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.